Hi everyone, welcome to the class. In this class, we shall learn how to find the logarithm of some numbers. This is the basic concept. So let us start now. Find the value of logarithm of 625 base 5. How to find the logarithm of 625 with the base 5? Here, 5 should be raised to some power to get 625. We have to find out the power, the exponent. That exponent is taken as logarithm of 625. So to find this, we have to convert this logarithm form into exponential form. We know that how to convert the logarithm of form into exponential form. Logarithm of n base a is equal to x. If logarithm of n base a is equal to x and its exponential form is, then a to the power of x is equal to n. This is the exponential form of this logarithm of n base a. Here n is the number and a is the base of the logarithm. Then we will get the exponent as x. So this can be written as a to the power of x is equal to n. A raised to the power of x is equal to n. So here x and exponent this is base a, and we will get number n. So the same way we take find the number, we take the number logarithm of 625 base 5. Let logarithm of 625 base 5 is equal to x. Then exponential form of this uh, logarithm is 5 to the power of x is equal to 625. This can be written as 5 to the power of x is equal to 625. This is exponential form. So how to find x here? To find x, we have to write 625 as the base 5, exponent of the base 5. So to do that one, you have to prime factorize 625. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, and 5 5 is 25. 5 2 is 10, 5 5 is 25. Here 5 5 is 25. So 5 is multiplied 4 times to get 625. So 5 to the power of x, 5 to the power of x can is equal to 625 can be written as 5 to the power of 4. So now the bases are equal. There are two numbers are equal. 5 power x is equal to 5 power 4. Here already bases are equal. Then exponents also equal. When bases are equal, exponents also equal. Here we can recall a formula. X to the power of a is equal to, if this is a formula, if x to the power of a is equal to x to the power of b, then a is equal to b. Similarly, here x is equal to 4. This is the answer. So to find the logarithm of any number, you have first convert into exponential form, then write the number, the highest number or larger number as the base of the lowest number. Then we can compare the exponents. By comparing the exponents, we can find the value of x. Let us find the logarithm of one more number. Find logarithm of 32 base 2 value. Determine the value of logarithm of 32 base 2. Now here also we will take, let logarithm of 32 base 2 is equal to x. Then write its exponential form. That is 2 to the power of x. 2 raised to the power of x is equal to 32. 2 to the power of x is 32. Then 32 should be written as base 2. So for that, you have to prime factorize 32. 32 should be written as exponent of 2. So for that, you have to prime factorize 32. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4. So 32 can be written as 2 to the power of, how many times 2 multiplied here? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times. When bases are equal, exponents also equal. Therefore, x is equal to 5. Therefore, logarithm of 32 base 2 is equal to 5. Let us verify. 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. In this way, you can find the logarithm of any number. So, find logarithm of 512 base 2 is equal to how much? This value. So here also we have to let logarithm of 512 base 2 is equal to some x. Now exponential form. You know the exponential, a to the power of x is equal to n. Here a means here 2. 2 raised to the power of x is equal to your number 512. 512. To find the value of x, this 512 should be written as a number exponent to the 2. We should make the bases equal. Then only we can find the value of x. Here base is not equal. So to make the bases equal, you have to write the 512 as prime factorize exponential form. So now we have to prime factorize 512 here. 2 2 ja 4, 1 11, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12. Yeah, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 16, 2 8 ja 16. 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8. 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. Here 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. 2 8 ja 16. 2 4 ja 8. 2 2 ja 4. So here 2 to the power of x is equal to 5 multiplied how many times here? Let us count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 9 times. So 2 multiplied 9 times, that is equal to 2 to the power of 9. Therefore here bases are equal, then exponents also equal. So here two exponents also equal. Then only these two numbers are equal. So therefore x is equal to 9. So the answer, logarithm of 512 base 2 is equal to 9. Let us find the logarithm of some more numbers. Logarithm of 5 base 25 is equal to what? This is one more question. So the same way we have to find out the value. Let logarithm of 5 base 25 is equal to x. Now exponential form. Twenty-five to the power of, here 25 is a base here, 25 to the power of x is equal to this number 5. Now here bases are not equal, you have to make them equal. For that you have to prime factorize 25. This is the bigger number, this is a smaller number. So prime factorize 25, 5 5s are 25. So 25 can be written as 5 square, and also here x is there. So keep here a bracket, and this is equal to 5. Now 5 to the power of 2x is equal to 5 to the power of, here no exponent is there, that means here 1 is the exponent. Now compare the bases, then exponents also, when bases are equal, exponents also equal. So this is the main concept here, because here are left hand side, right hand side, same numbers are there. Therefore here bases also equal, therefore exponents also equal. When bases are equal, exponents also equal. Therefore 2x is equal to 1, then x is equal to, transposing to right side, it becomes denominator 1 by 2. Therefore the answer, the value of logarithm of 5 when base is 25 is equal to 1 by 2. Now let us solve some more problems. Logarithm of 1 base x is equal to what? Here the same way you have to take logarithm of 1 base 7 is equal to x. Now exponential form. Seven to the power of, here 7 to the power of x is equal to the given number 1. Now we cannot make powers bases equal, because here we cannot prime factorize 7, it is already a prime number, we cannot prime factorize. So how to solve this? So let us think about it for just a minute. 7 power x is equal to 1 can be written as 7 power 0. Something to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Any number, for any number, exponent is 0, the value is 1. Therefore 7 can be written as 1 can be written as 7 to the power of 0. Why we are writing here 7? To make the bases equal. That's why we are writing 7. So now we can write when bases are equal, exponents also equal. Therefore the value x is equal to 0. Therefore logarithm of 1 to the base 7 is equal to 0. Logarithm of 1 to any base, logarithm of 1 to any base, not only 7, so any base is 0. That's why we, in the previous video, we have derived have generalized thing, formula logarithm of 1 base a is equal to 0. Logarithm of 1 by 25 base 5 is equal to what? Let logarithm of 1 by 25 base 5 is equal to some x. Now write exponential form. Five to the power of x is equal to 1 by 25. Here 5 is the base and x is the exponent, is equal to 1 by 25 is the number whose logarithm is to be found. So to find this, 5 to the power of x is equal to, we have to write the 25 as 5 square, 5 5 is 25. Now 5 to the power of x is equal to 1 by 5 square. This 1 by 5 square can be written as 5 to the power of minus 2. How? Here is a formula. 1 by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of minus n. The laws of exponent, we have a formula. 1 by a to the power of n is equal to 1 by a to the power of minus n. So 5 square can be done 5 to the power of minus 2. If when it is brought to bring to numerator, it can be, symbols will be changed. If minus symbol is there, becomes plus. If plus symbol is there, becomes minus. Now when the bases are equal, here bases are equal, then exponents also equal. Therefore x is equal to minus 2. Therefore logarithm of 1 by 25 base 5 is equal to minus 2. Let us find logarithm of a decimal fraction. Logarithm of 0.01 base 10 is equal to what? Now let's logarithm of 0.01 base 10 is equal to x. Here exponential form. Ten to the power of x. 10 to the power of x is equal to 0.01. 10 to the power of x is equal to, we have to convert this one into p by q form. 1 by 1, after decimal there are 2 digits here, so keep 2 zeros. Now 10 to the power of x is equal to 1 by 100 can be written as 10 square. Why we are writing 10 square? Because to make the bases equal, 10 square is equal to 100. So 10x is equal to, this 10 square, 1 by 10 square can be written as 10 to the power of minus 2. We know the formula, 1 by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of minus n. Well, now bases are equal. Therefore exponents also equal. Therefore x is equal to minus 2. So logarithm of 0.01 base 2 is equal to minus 2. Logarithm of 125 by 27 base 5 by 3 is equal to what? Here the same way, let logarithm of 125 by 27 is a number to the base 5 by 3 is equal to take some x. Now exponential form. Five by three to the power of 5 to the power of x, a to the power of x is equal to n, is equal to here 125 by 27. Now 5 by 3 whole to the power of x is equal to 125 can be written as 5 to the power of something, 5 cube, 5 into 5 into 5. 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125. Similarly, 27 also can be written as 3 cube, 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. So 5 by 3 whole to the power of x is equal to 5 by 3 whole to the power of 3. Here is a formula. You know that a to the power of m by b to the power of m can be written as a by b whole to the power of m. Therefore, a to the power of m by b to the power of m, a by b whole to the power of m. Here bases are equal, therefore exponents also equal, should be equal. Why? Because there is a is equal to symbol is there. That's why. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Therefore, logarithm of 125 base 27, 125 by 27 base 5 by 3 is equal to, answer is 3. Next, logarithm of root x base x is equal to what? Here, logarithm of root x base x is equal to, take another number, another variable, not yx. You have to take y. Then exponential form. X to the power of y is equal to root x. X to the power of y is equal to, this is root x. Just compare the colors and understood. If you have any doubt. Now bases are not equal here. We have to make them equal. How to make them equal? X to the power of y is equal to, root x can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. This is a radical form, this is exponential form. Here 2 will be there, here 1 will be there. Remove this radical sign and write 1 by 2. Here root x means square root of x, means it can be written as x to the power of 1 by 2. Now bases are equal, exponents also equal. Therefore, y is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, we can write the answer, conclude that logarithm of root x base x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, in this way, you can solve any type of problem. But when the base is not given, you have to take the base as 10 because it is a common logarithm. Okay,